So I had somebody ask about this ToolRest that I use. My ToolRest, it's a bit of a DIY job. There's a cabinet door handle, and I'm holding it onto. This is a little mini magic arm. And this was a cabinet door handle, which I just took apart. I try not to leave these out here. I kind of just turn them away. When you buy this mount, this handle used to be here. I swapped them around. This used to be a thumb screw, which is somewhere in the drawer right now. I just tightened it completely because I don't need it to move around. That guy adjusts backwards and forwards. This guy adjusts upwards and downwards, and the tilt. So for me that works perfectly. I put these little holes. I suppose I could just buy a 12 mil bar, but why do it? I got these on special actually, so they were very cheap. They were being sold out from the. I give that. I don't make it too tight. I make it tight, but not like the world's gonna fall apart. Yeah, I've got my normal belt. I've got some compound on either sides that I actually need to scrape off and put new. I've contact cement to cement them there. This is usually my first step in deburring. It's a canvas belt, so I just do that. After 1200, run it on the use a piece of wood, glue this guy, and put some white compound on there. Do a little deburr, and then this thing will be nice and shut. So that's my tool arm. There's been many iterations of this tool arm. I'll just put a few. My first iteration, where I had a piece of wood, 2 strips of wood, same width, and you can lock it. And then this is just I'll show you guys this one another day actually.